Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert, and today I'm going to show you how to care for your Florida lawn in the fall. Now before I get started, this video is completely shoppable, so click that I at the top to get your shopping list. Okay, while most of summer is spent maintaining your lawn with cutting and trimming, fall is the time for a little TLC. Aerating will help supply the lawn with oxygen and nutrients, helping it to avoid that compact, rock-solid feeling when you walk on it. Follow up your aerating by fertilizing your lawn to promote deeper root growth in the roots of the grass. There are many fertilizers to choose from in your area, but if you're not sure of your grass type that you have, bring a sample to your Ace along with a picture, and they'll help you get the right product for the turf. In most areas of Florida, fall fertilizing is best performed in mid-September. You see, fall is a great time to seed your lawn as well. From pests to summer foot traffic, bare spots can make their way into your lawn. You want to seed your lawn to promote growth and keep weeds from poking on through. Typically in the fall, your lawn is growing more slowly. You want to promote healthy growth by mowing your lawn only twice a month, trying to achieve a height of about 2.5 to 3 inches from the soil. A mower with an easy adjustable height is something I can't recommend enough, as in Florida the grass seems to be forever changing in growth speed. With the rainy season behind you, watering is still needed for your lawn. Adding a rain gauge to your lawn will help you decide if it needs more moisture. Most lawns need about 1 inch of water a week. In Florida, the rainy season generally provides enough water to keep lawns healthy from April to August. When the rain gets less frequent, it's a good idea to increase your watering schedule. Lastly, it's time to tell those critters to keep clear of your lawn. From fire ants to armyworms, these invaders can do damage to your turf. Most insect killers for lawns last up to about 90 days, so set reminders to stay on top of this treatment or you'll find costly lawn repairs in your future. And that's it. These products and more are available at your neighborhood Ace Hardware store, or you can visit us online at acehardware.com, because Ace is the helpful place.